talk to the city attorney's office, but in the
The
meantime,
city attorney,
nothing's going
the city
forward.
attorney office already has this opinion, and the opinion is from the attorney general.
That's wonderful, except that I am not in a position to go ahead and allow you in until such time as I hear from the city attorney's office. This is the first I hear of this. We've had a rule, and
Well,
that rule has
they were given,
persisted.
they were given this letter back on the 25th, so.
I don't know. I don't know anything about it, but I'm gonna ask you to leave, and if not, I'm gonna have to ask security to remove you, and you can deal with this however you would like to. But right now, I'm trying to conduct a procedural hearing, and I will not conduct the hearing if in fact it's going to be recorded in violation of the rules that the Personnel Board has set up.
The personnel boards, the city ordinance that controls the personnel
I
board
understand, this has been a long
requires that you
discussion.
follow the state Open Meetings Act.
I'm not gonna argue a legal matter with you. You are not an attorney, and I have no further information from anyone. Well, Stephanie is not an attorney.
She has the information.
I know, but I'm not gonna read it, and I'm not gonna analyze it now. It's up to the city attorney's office. So
Well,
I'm
like I
gonna-
said, they got it on the
I'm gonna ask
25th,
you to
so.
please leave.
No, ma'am.
Okay, would you please call security and ask them to remove Mr. Aronson?
Yeah.
If you will not leave voluntarily, I'll ask security to deal with it. And if in fact security is not prepared to deal with it, then we're just gonna have to reschedule. Your coming in here and refusing to move is highly inappropriate.
No, ma'am. I am a member of the public, and I have the right to be here to see what
Absolutely.
happens here, and I have the right to videotape it.
No, you don't.
And that's
You have
under
a
the
right-
state Open Meetings Act.
You have
Thank you
a
very much.
right to be here. The State Opens Meetings Act does not allow or prohibit. It is silent on recording. So you have a right to be here as a member of the public. However, you do not have an unfettered right to go ahead and record.
Under the Open Meetings Act, I do.
I'm not gonna argue the law with you. And if you're not gonna be cooperative,
Oh, I'm totally being cooperative.
I guess it's a matter of definition as to what constitutes cooperative.
Well, I'm standing on my rights, that's all. I am not being uncooperative.
Good morning, Mr. Grover.
Good morning. How are you this evening?
Hi.
How are you?
Well, I'm just fine.
Good, Miss Levy. Enjoying retirement?
I'm loving. Okay, all right, thank you.
And I also have it on the record from the director of the OMA IPRA office at the AG's office that if it comes down to it, the person who has the call as to whether these are video recorded or not is the person that called the grievance hearing. And that would be, I'm sorry, what's your name, sir?
Nieves.
That would be Mr. Neves here. Not you and not the city attorney's office.
Like I said, you're not a lawyer. I am not going to analyze this. It is in the hands of the city attorney's office, and in the meantime, until we have a ruling from them, I am officially and formally asking you to remove your recording equipment. You as an individual are fully welcome to stay here as long as you do not disrupt the hearing, but the recording equipment is a no-no. And since you're running it right now, you're in violation of whatever rules the city personnel board has, but I'm just gonna wait for
Well,
security.
would you produce those rules?
You've seen them, they've been posted, and you've seen.
No,
letters
no, all I
all
see is
around.
something that you stated. I see no rules, no.
I'm not gonna argue this with you. This gentleman is refusing to leave.
Let's go. Pull it.
Nope, nope,
Pull it.
nope.
Let's go. You had requested to leave.
I am here.
You're disrupting a meeting.
I am not disrupting.
You're
the meeting.
disrupting a meeting.
No,
Let's go.
sir, I am not.
Let's go.
I am not.
Please come this way.
Nope.
Appreciate it.
Nope.
When the supervisor gets here, we'll remove it. Okay?
All right, so you know what, in the meantime, can we move this to another room?
We should, yeah, we can.
I would like just to say something on behalf of
Sure.
Mr. Nieves. I mean, I think there's merit that he's called it, and in other personnel hearings, whether it's with Law Enforcement Academy Board, the Medical Review Board, we've not had this issue when people have filmed those proceedings.
This gentleman, I already unplugged his
This
camera.
setting, where
Turn it off
objection has
to
been
the-
raised by
Who? He's
hearing
disrupting
officer,
the meeting.
your colleagues, not
He
you,
refused
in
me.
front of you. So, I mean, I don't,
How are you, sir?
we
Hi.
don't have an issue with it. I don't know why
it two?
there's this
Who?
resistance
This
to
is
it.
him.
I mean,
Okay, we need to leave the facility.
And for why? Why?
You were requested by the office here. Yeah. You're
She
disrupting
She
it.
has no authority.
You sure she does.
No, she
And The
doesn't.
city clerk also requested it. That's
Then
all the authority.
The
Let's
city,
go.
the city clerk.
I'll help you with your equipment.
Don't touch my equipment.
Let's go.
Don't
Let's
touch
go,
my,
sir.
don't touch me.
I'm not, well,
Don't
let's go.
touch me.
We need to leave.
Don't touch me.
Okay, we need to leave.
I want to talk to the city clerk
Yes, you can
Okay.
talk to the city clerk. Let's go.
right now.
Right
No,
now.
not right now. Let's go.
Don't touch me.
Well, follow my orders, and we need to leave
It's not
the
a lawful
facility.
order, sir.
We're requesting
Yes,
that
it
you
is. This is our
Do not
facility.
touch
I'll leave
me.
the facility.
Do not
You can
touch
leave
me.
easy or the hard way.
Do not
You
touch
can leave
me.
easily or the hard way. I'm
Let
giving
me,
you,
let me speak to the city
You're
clerk.
welcome to
not
speak.
at this time. Let's go.
Let me speak to the city clerk.
You need to leave the building.
Let me speak to the city clerk.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
May
I'm
I-
going
may
to
I-
tell you one
may I
more time.
speak
We
to the
need to
city-
leave.
Do not.
I'm not
do
touching
not
you.
touch
We need
it.
to
You
leave.
just pushed me.
I did not.
What?
push you. We need
What
to
is
leave.
going on here?
Let's go.
Holy crap!
We need to
What's
leave
your
the
name?
facility. Lieutenant Anthony Gonzalez
Okay, Lieutenant.
with an S at the end.
May I have my?
Yes.
Thank you. I'm leaving. Do not touch me again.
Okay, I won't. Let's leave. You need to follow my orders.
That's an unlawful order.
It was a request.
804,
I
888.
requested you.
Everything's
I
still
requested it.
And I
That you
refused.
need to
And I
comply.
refused.
This is city property. This is city property.
I
You
am a
had
member of the
request from
public. This
you
is a
had
public
You
building.
had a request from the city clerk. That's my
The city
position
clerk
to enforce it.
never requested
Yes,
me to
she
do
requested
anything.
me to ask you to leave.
She never talked to
She
me.
requested me to ask you to leave. I am the
She
city
never talked to
entity.
me.
That's okay.
She
Okay?
never
Thank
talked to
you.
me. Do not touch me.
I am not touching you.
You
not touching
already
you.
did 5 times,
He's not touching you. Let's go.
and he did too.
John.
Identify yourself.
Officer Clark. CLARK.
And who do you work for?
City of Albuquerque.
Under what
We're with the Department of Municipal Development, Security Division.
You're a security officer also?
Yes.
I am?
Okay. So you don't work for the police department?
No.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oops,
We have this
third floor.
occupied.
I need to go to the basement. I need to go out the basement. If that's okay with you.
Yeah, that's fine. Not a problem.
Who's your boss?
Mark Shepard.
Mark Shepard? All right, next slide.
This is ground floor.
Oh, no, I'll go up this way. We're here.
So what's all on this?
You just touched me again.
I didn't
Told
touch you
you
again.
did.
Sir, he didn't
Yes,
touch
you
you.
did.
Come on.
He did not
I
touch
did
you.
not. Really?
That's assault.
No, there was no.
That's called battery.
No.
Both of you. Whoa.
What's your name? Huh? Oh, it's only one side? Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hey, hey, I'm talking to you. What's his name?
Sir, I'm telling you, you need to get off city property.
What's his name?
That's Officer Avila and Sergeant Hinckley.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome to stay on the sidewalk.
Oh, I know I'm welcome to stay on the